Campaign for Just and Fair Delimitation (JFD) is set to organize meeting for representatives of all political parties in the state on December 27 regarding delimitation and census exercise. JFD appealed to representatives of all political parties to participate in the said meeting. Addressing the meeting held at Moirang Kampu Kewa Bazaar in Imphal East as part of its series of meetings, JFD convener Jitendra Ningomba emphasized the need for the representatives to attend the meeting to take proactive steps on delimitation and census. He added that people are not against census exercise but want it to be conducted in the right manner. He called on elected MLAs and officials of relevant departments to take proactive steps against census before NRC implementation or similar norms.
Yumkok tiba amadi mikok tiba asa NRC na taga mana ba makal gi equivalent oiba mechanism ma photography phawbudi haibadi mitop se khandok ki phawbudi ekho census chokba yaroi masi sense tarubu matamda hen thingna ka da awaba mayam sindu kala kanda masi amuktan library ba mari leina ba kan department sing si khanthebiyo haibase amukka suhanna again ane koi rakulada mari leina ba department sing ka tamjani India ka bul tali demand se demand tawra pi da su yam yawe adubu handaki tanja si demand pi da yaw rai ado demand pi na bolo matamda Manipuri miyam khadra masi koi thopigano library ba political parties sigi magi akan ba magi library ba koi tuan ba BJP ki Congress ki duga to library mo yam sing sina magi akan mistake na lepum to Manipur kana for the future of the Manipur ki aduna ai ba film singamari renana lagi tan tare sida koi lamyan ba sangen da pung tara mate tabu tamda political parties singo ba conclave before ama on issue of the census and the delimitation the pangtokani makhoi yo ba agenda ba dare masi makhoi punna sakadra natra tuan chakadra natra Manipur ko ba achok phire ba logani.
On the other hand, JFD Finance Secretary Sunil Karam stated that census exercise should be conducted taking into consideration the present situation of the state. He pointed out that census cannot be conducted while the state is facing natural calamities or chaotic situation. He appealed to authorities to delay the process of census while stating that people are not against census exercise. He stressed the need for accurate population accounting in hill areas, pointing out unchecked influx of cookies into cookie-dominated areas under the pretext of community welfare, asserting that inclusion of cookie refugees in the census will make them Indian citizens, thereby losing the rights to voice them as illegal migrants. Sunil Karam cautioned that failure of the center to act could provoke boycott of census exercise.
Asumba census amasu delimitation tawsi na hajarib si karino hakana ekoi mang na tari basing je foreigner mayam sing aduguma mayam sing je mito khando pagi ai NRC gumana kanto ga tawsi hai basigi akan ba campaign amani census ama thiba hai base lal leiraba yate sigi manung sida koi basig IDP sing mayum na changbal loirabra loide singa tangwa koi changba yarbra Yadri cookie na cookie ki jagada moi khaptana census thibagi khudong chabam leidore adu itani moi na having ba missing do half khiba matam da kamai to kaya kana masi voter da hapsan girgi taraga di Indian citizen amala ani adu ga koi ki tongan ba maiting da phangi ba yellow mi amda phangi ba right to sap manada langa kana ai khoina lauri ba do mathang di illegal immigrant ki issue se lawu yar roeba tanglon sumna mito mian cha khando ga tawsi ai bagi wafam sida government of India na tadab taragadi ai koi census powda koi boycott tawna bagi phire ama lauru pa yai hana khala kanda landam sida leiriba miam punamana ai koi gi moment ama lakma tamda ai koi punna satmin na ba ya bagi struggle ro madugi mathok ta badune na khona Tamjani, Hausa Lady people mayam sing Government of Indiana, Manipur situation je, Kangna Tausalagadi, Kangna Government of India Technology, Kui Matok Tai.